back to a new video. Now today's video gonna be a review video. So it's been so long that we have reviewed any product, so I thought why not start this series again where we got new products and talk about it on our YouTube channel and see if the product is worth the money and works or not. So yeah, today's here I have with me clay mask, and I think clay mask is the best thing to review at this point because like summer has already started and clay masks are like boon to this humid and dusty summer. So I recently got this Dot & Key Glow Reviving Vitamin Pink Clay Mask and I have been using from since a while, so I thought it's the perfect time to review. I have a lot of things to say about this product and I'm gonna tell you all the things that you never heard of, like Dot & Key as a brand and the product itself. So in this video we're gonna break everything and talk about one by one about clay mask brand, price and packaging, ingredients, application, my reviews and pros and cons about the product. So yeah, stay tuned, and if you're new here then hi, I'm Arushi and I make videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle. So if you're new to my channel then please consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon so that you get notification every time I upload a new video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start with why do we need clay mask. Clay masks have the potential to absorb excess oil from your skin. They help in managing your dry skin and they also tend to prevent your acne. So you must have this feeling that are clay masks really important to be included in our skincare routine? So the answer is yes. Now I feel like clay mask should be included in your skincare routine. You can use it once a week or twice a week, but it should be an important part of your skincare regime. As a brand, I really like Dot & Key. If you haven't heard of that, Dot & Key is purely made in India brand. All the products are like dermatologically tested. They don't use any nasty chemicals like paraben or silicons. All the products are cruelty free and made with natural botanicals. Now let's talk about price and packaging of this product. So it comes in this beautiful packaging. Dot & Key's packaging are like one of my favorite. They are so cute, colorful and aesthetic. Like all the ingredient list is mentioned at the bottom. Now when you open the box comes the actual packaging. Now it is made up of glass and the cap is of plastic. It just looks so cute. I really like how Dot & Key formulate their packaging, and also it comes with a spatula and a card where you can see how you can use the product, about its ingredients and about their brand. So the product is for 845 rupees, which is not like super affordable but is of like medium range if we look out other clay masks. So talking about the ingredients, now Kakadu plum is a rich source of vitamin C where kaolin and bentonite are great for clearing up the hyperpigmentation. Now it also has hyaluronic acid, which is also known as moisture magnet, and it helps hydrate your dehydrated cells and give you a plump and hydrated look. So now is the time to talk about who can use this product and how to use this product. So all skin type can use this product as it helps absorb excess oil, help manage dry skin and prevents acne. So all skin type can use it. Now talking about its application part, super easy to use this product. All you need to do is slather an even layer of mask all over your face, leave on for like 10 to 15 minutes or until dry, and wash it off with lukewarm water.
After that, I love to use this Glow C Sleep Mask and I feel like they work best as combo and leave my skin glowy.
So yeah, I'm really excited for this part of the video because now I'm gonna share my honest opinion about how I feel about the product and it like really helped my skin or not. So I really love this product. Okay, first of all, when I get it, like I was really excited to use this clay mask, and I feel like clay mask just adds so much fun to your normal skincare routine. I really love to pamper my skin some days, like once a week or twice a week. So I really love clay mask, and when I applied it I feel like it was little drying, but when you will apply it you won't feel like dryness anymore. And after 10 to 15 minutes I removed the mask and oh my god, my skin was so supple because it has this vitamin C and glow reviving thing. It's not gonna dry out your skin, which is like great for dry skin type, but also it's gonna absorb the excess oil from your face. face. So I really love how it feels like. I feel like my skin is so much glowy and so much brightening. So I also give this to my like brother and my sister, and when they use it, like they totally love the product. Like my sister was like, I want to get it right now, order for me. And yeah, she really loved that product. And when you see on others' face now, you better get to know about the product. And when I looked at her face was literally glowing, and I felt like this product is like it really works. So I really love this product. I mean, I would highly recommend you this clay mask because it's such a great way to pamper your skin. It's gonna absorb your excess oil, meanwhile it just gonna rejuvenate your skin and make your skin so glowy. Glow is real, guys. The glow will look like it is coming from within. It also has vitamin C. So yeah, I think it is a great product to try out. Definitely go and check out this product. So I will leave the link in the description box. Talking about the pros and cons of the product, this hand is pro and this is con, okay? So pro number 1 is it has beautiful packaging. Number 2 is it has beautiful ingredients that are actually required for your skin. Pro number 3 is it removes excess oil from your skin and help manage your dry skin and leaves your skin beautiful. Pro number 4, it leaves your skin with a healthy glow. It's gonna last forever. I mean, this much of your product gonna last you forever, guys. I don't think I talk about this on the video, but the quantity you get it's gonna last forever. Like it has shelf life of 2 or 3 years, I think 3 years, and you just need tiny bit of it. And con is I find it little expensive. So yeah, but don't forget the fact that it has vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and bentonite, kakadu plum. So talking about the ingredients, it has great price, but still I feel like if I'll go to buy a clay mask, it is on little expensive side. So yeah, I don't think they have any other cons. Personally, I don't feel like. So here is like 5 versus 1. So yeah, that was it for today's part. Now I really hope that you enjoy watching this video. Also, if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and do all that stuff. So yeah, share this video with all your skincare junkies. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Also, here comes the giveaway part. I know I have promised you for my birthday giveaway. So for this giveaway, I'm gonna give this pink clay mask to you. So yeah, definitely comment down below what you feel about the giveaway, and like this video, subscribe to my channel. I mean, you must be a subscriber to win this giveaway. And don't worry, more giveaway will be coming in upcoming videos. So yeah, finally, bye.